Our topic practical geometry is going on now. In the last period, we have seen some constructions of the triangles by yes criteria. Means the length of three sides of the triangles are given and we are set to construct the triangles of the given measures. Today we have to construct the triangle when the lengths of two sides and their included angle or the measure of the angle included by these two sides are given, then we have to construct the triangle. Means if the two sides and their included angle is given, then we can say that the criteria is side angle side, that is yes criteria. So according to side angle side, we have to construct the triangles. In the questions, the length of two sides is given as well as the measure of the angle included by these two sides is also given, and then we have to construct the triangle. So let us see how to construct the triangle. Now, in the first question, it is given that construct a triangle PQR and given that PQ is equal to 3 centimeter, QR is equal to 5.5 centimeter, and angle PQR is equal to 60. Means here measurement of angle Q is given. Measurement of angle Q is given. So first of all, we have to draw rough sketch of the given triangle. So here I have drawn the rough sketch of the triangle, that is triangle PQR, in which the PQ is given 3 centimeter, then length of the QR is given 5.5 centimeter, and the angle included by these two sides, that is angle Q is equal to given 60 degree. And after drawing the rough sketch, we can construct the triangle of the given measure. So let us construct the triangle. So here, first of all, we have to take the horizontal length of the side, that is QR, which is 5.5 centimeter. So we have to draw a line or a line segment or a side which is of the length 5.5 centimeter. So I will draw here. So this is the side QR of length 5.5 centimeter. And now we have to draw the angle 60 degree here by the protractor. We have to use protractor. Put the protractor at Q so that we can draw the angle 60 degrees. So here our second end, from the second end we have to take 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. So in this way I have marked here, and now joining it, we will get the angle of the measure 60 degree. And now we have to draw the segment PQ of length 3 cm. So I will take 3 cm length distance between the two arms of the compass. So I will take 3 cm. So here, so this is the 3 cm. So 3 cm I have taken. Put the metallic point on Q and make a mark at 3 cm, and the point is P. So here, and now joining these 2 points, that is P and R, we will get the triangle PQR. In this way, we have constructed the triangle PQR of one side 5.5 cm, which is QR. The another side is PQ, which is 3 cm, and the angle included by these two sides is 60 degree. So that is our first construction of the triangle. And now we will see the second question. It is given that construct triangle DEF such that DE is equal to 5 cm, DF is equal to 3 cm, and angle EDF is equal to 90 degree. Means angle D is 90 degree. So I have drawn the rough sketch of the triangle. Here D is a 90 degree. So here I have taken D, and DE is 5 cm. DE, that is the horizontal line. DE and EF. Here DF is given 3 cm, DE is given 5 cm, and angle included by these two sides is 90 degree, means right angle. And now we have to construct such a triangle of the given measures. Now here I will draw the horizontal line segment of the length 5 cm, that is DE. So I will draw. So here DE is the side or the line segment of the length 5 cm. Now here at D we have to draw an angle of 90 degree. So I will put the protractor on point D, and from the second end or another end of the segment, that is from E, this side, I will take 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. So here I will draw, and now we will join it with the point D. So this is the angle 90 degree, and now on this perpendicular, now on this point, on this perpendicular, I will take the point F, which is at a distance 3 cm from D. So DF is 3 cm. So I will take 3 cm distance in a compass and put the metallic point on D and mark on the perpendicular and the point, that is F, so which is 3 cm. And now by joining E and F, By joining E and F, we will get the triangle DEF of the given measure, that is DE is equal to 5 cm, DEF is equal to 3 cm, and the angle included by these two sides is 90 degree. Now there is one more question for us to construct the triangle, that is construct an isosceles triangle in which the length of each of its equal sides is 6.5 cm and the angle between them is 110 degree. Means the angle included by the equal sides, here xy and yz are the equal sides of length 6.5 cm each, and the angle included by them is 110 degree. So that is 110 degree. So I have constructed the rough sketch of triangle XYZ, in which YZ is equal to 6.5, XY is also 6.5, and angle included by these two sides is 110. So first of all, I will draw the horizontal line YZ of length 6.5 centimeter. So I will draw the So this is the YZ side of length 6.5 centimeter, 6.5 centimeter, and now we have to draw the angle of measure 110 degree. So I will put the protractor on Y, and now taking 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 10 means 100, this is 110 degree. So here I will mark here, and now joining these 2 points, in this way we got this angle, that is 110 degree. Here 110 degree, and now here we have to draw the another side, that is 6.5. So I will take 6.5 here and draw by putting the metallic point on Y. I will mark here, and now we have to join these side with this R, that is point X, which is 6.5 centimeter away from Y. So here now joining X and Z, we got the triangle XYZ of the given measurements. Now there is fourth question: to construct triangle ABC with BC is equal to 6.5 centimeter, AC is equal to 5 centimeter, and measurement angle C is equal to 60 degree. So here again we have to draw a rough sketch of a triangle ABC, in which BC ABC, in which BC is equal to 7.5 centimeter, AC is equal to 5 centimeter, and the measurement angle C is equal to 60 degree, and now we will construct the triangle. First of all, we will draw the horizontal side BC, here of length 7.5 centimeter. So this is the side BC of length 7.5 centimeter, and now we have to draw the angle 60 degree by using the protractor. Here I will put the metallic protractor on a point C and draw the angle of measure 60 degree, 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50 and 60. So this is the 60 degree angle, and now joining this mark with C, we get this angle as a 60 degree. And now we have to take point A on this line, which is away 5 centimeter away from C, that is AC is equal to 5 centimeter. So take 5 centimeter in a compass, 5 centimeter in a compass, and put the metallic point on C and draw the arc on this line. This point is A, and now join A and B. By joining A and B, we get the triangle ABC, in which BC is equal to 7.5 centimeter and AC is equal to 5 centimeter. So today we have constructed 4 triangles according to the criteria SAS, that is if two sides and angle between them is given. So according to SAS criteria we have constructed 4 triangles.